Welcome to Erbil, the heart of Kurdistan, where ancient history meets modern rise. Fact number 1. Beneath the Erbil Citadel are layers of civilizations, over 30 archaeological layers from Assyrian, Sumerian, and Islamic eras stacked over thousands of years. Fact number 2. Archaeologists believe the citadel mound itself is man-made, formed by generations building atop older ruins. Fact number 3. The citadel once had 3 neighborhoods: Sarai for notables, Takya for religious orders, and Topkana for craftsmen. Fact number 4. There's only one entrance to the citadel, a deliberate design for defense and control since ancient times. Fact number 5. Erbil was once known as Arbela, mentioned in Assyrian inscriptions dating back to 2300 BCE. Fact number 6. The Battle of Gaugamela, 331 BCE, where Alexander the Great defeated the Persian Empire, took place near modern-day Erbil. Fact number 7. The Mulla Afandi Grand Mosque, built in the 12th century, is one of the oldest mosques still active in Erbil. Fact number 8. The Minaret Park, Choli Minaret, built in the 12th century, once had a spiral staircase, similar to Iraq's famous Samarra Minaret. Fact number 9. The Kurdish Textile Museum, located in the citadel, preserves tribal rugs and weaving techniques dating back centuries. Fact number 10. The Empire World Project, Erbil's biggest real estate development, includes 88 towers and one of the tallest buildings in Iraq. Fact number 11. The Sami Abdul Rahman Park in Erbil was built over a former military base. Today, it's one of the largest urban parks in the Middle East. Fact number 12. Erbil has Roman and Parthian coins discovered beneath its old bazaar, showing it was a trade hub linking Mesopotamia and Persia. Fact number 13. The Erbil International Theater Festival draws artists from across the Middle East each year to perform in Kurdish, Arabic, and English. Fact number 14. Erbil's modern skyline began booming after 2003, and it now has more than 50 high-rises, many over 100 meters tall. Fact number 15. Erbil has a growing art and cafe culture, with local artists displaying modern Kurdish paintings in cafes and galleries near Ainkawa and Italian Village. From 6,000 years of history to a new skyline, Erbil continues to rise. Subscribe for more journeys through the Middle East.